Dear students, we will continue our lecture number 11, lecture number 10, sorry, because lecture number 9 we have completed. Now lecture number 10 I will start about blood groups, its advantages. Last time we have seen the blood group contains A, B, O, three different blood groups. A blood group have antigen A, B blood group have antigen B, and O blood means 0 also. O blood group have no antigens, only antibodies are present. Whereas in AB, both antigens are present and both antibodies are absent. So this is the Landsteiner what discovered about the blood cells, and it's a different groups according to the presentation of or according to the presence of antigens present in the blood. So agglutinin or the activity of antigen and serum present in blood is also a concept that we have already studied last time. Now what the blood group, what the RBC, what are the antigens, how they stimulate for the formation of antibodies in the body to defend the diseases, pathogens or infections to the blood or human body. And according to the Landsteiner, we will see in detail the classification of different blood groups and their role, what actually is. So according to Landsteiner, the classification, there are 4 types of blood groups: A, B, AB and O, that we have already seen, and the antigens and antibodies present in both, that also we have seen. The blood group inheritance depends upon these antigens and antibodies as per the parental blood groups. If parents have A and B blood group, then they have no antiserum in their body, or they have chances to have all blood group children in their generation or in their family. And this one is the one thing. Second thing is that O blood group have no anti-A and anti-B, no anti-A and anti-B antigens, but both anti-A and anti-B antibodies are, only antibodies are there. Therefore B blood group person is a universal donor, and this one is AB blood group is universal recipient. So these are the different types. Then inheritance, we know very well about the antigens and antibodies that we have observed here from the chart, and the blood groups produces antigen B. A blood group produces antigen A, B produces B, AB produces both antigens, and O has absence of any antigen. Only antibodies are present. Antibody A and antibody B are present. And with this background, the Bernstein in 1924 found that the blood group antigens are controlled by an autosomal gene designated as I, or isoheme agglutinin is also the name of it. So they have these different antigen, antibody or blood group different types. Similarly, allele IB, I is isoheme agglutinin element. So IA, IB, AB and IO. So these are indicated as such that I raised to A, or we can say I on the head, A blood group is reported or noted in this genetic method. In this way we write it as at the position of head. So as blood group A have antigen A only, so it is demarcated as IA. B blood group have only B antigen, demarcated as isoime agglutinin B, and I is indicated as the base. Likewise O. So allele IA produces type A blood group and is dominant over allele IO, which is homozygous state IOO. Homozygous state एक blood group IAA, homozygous blood group B IBB, homozygous pair of blood group I, homozygous pair of blood group AB is IAIB. And similarly, an A type of blood group individual can have genotype IAA or IAIO. Because A is dominant, therefore it produces IA only in the next generation. Similarly, allele IB produces B antigen or B blood group and it is dominant over IO. An individual with blood group B may be homozygous IBB, that I have already told you, or IBIO because B is dominant. AB blood group individual have the genotype IAIB, whereas both the alleles are co-dominant and equally expressed in the next generation. The blood group and their genotypes are summarized here as IA. A blood group have IAIA or IAIB because A is dominant. Here same IBIB or IBIO. AB, IA and AB both are dominant, and O, I0, I0 nothing, or IO, IO we can say, because antigens are not here and antibodies are not here in this way. The blood group genes are inherited in the Mendelian fashion in the case of A, B and O groups, and the blood group however results from codominance of IA and B alleles, and thus blood groups of offsprings can be determined from their parents' genotype or blood groups, thus helping medico-legal cases of disputed parentage. Means in a hospital, if the childs were misplaced and somebody claims that this is my child, then this becomes the medico-legal case, and in such a cases the diagnosis or the reporting can be made by observing the blood group of their parents, because probability of blood group observation in the next generation depends mostly on blood group and it's a isoime agglutinin group. Now the coat color in rabbit, the full color, chinchilla color, Himalayan color or Russian color, and albino color. This is the example of blood group inheritance in rabbits, and the rabbit have 4 different genes, that is full color, that is called as agouti, second is chinchilla, then Himalayan or Russian, and albino. So here are the different 4 coat color genes present in a rabbit, and they carry the coat color formation gene through the blood or through the genes present in a cells. So here we will concise this speech and start next to the next time.